Hi, I'm David Wilson from TPAS Cymru, and today I'm in Llansamlet in Swansea. And you're wondering, why am I here and what's with all the background noise? The reason is I'm in the big recycle centre here in Swansea. And why I'm here is they have this wonderful facility here, a big shop based on the tip. And it's what things that people would be throwing away, they're recycling here, making them available for people, refurbishing electrics, testing them. And you can buy a whole range of stuff here at this, and it's called the Tip Treasures Reuse Shop. In time, there's going to be also a repair cafe here with Repair Cafe Wales, and there's also going to be a library of things with Benefit Cymru. I think it's a great facility, so let's go in and have a look at it, shall we? First thing about this place when you go inside is it's vast. I mean, it's really big. There is whole sections on, I'm looking at sports, golf clubs, children's cycle helmets, bikes, furniture, settees, sofas. There is whole sections on electronics, children's games. This is a big place and there's some wonderful bargains to be had here.
Televisions, lots of them, electrical equipment, all sorts of things.
So, as I say, it's vast in there. There's whole departments. I can't describe how big this place is, and wonderful bargains, wonderful stuff in there. It seems to be and the reason why I didn't film inside was, hello Andrew, the person there was great for us. I just didn't feel comfortable because it was so busy in there and getting permissions and everything else. So, great shop, really recommend it. I bought a lamp for a £5, I don't know if you can see that. Hey. I bought some board games, some books and things like that. Some wonderful stuff. Paid, and the lamp I think was only £5. It's been pat tested, everything else. Board games were £2 for £1. Books were I think £2 for £1, things like that. Really cheap, great bargain place to come. Very popular. As for Bryn, who I was with, I think this is what he ended up getting. I don't know what you say about that. Anyway, I hope that's given you an insight. There's one here in Swansea, there's one in Cardiff, there's one in Newport, and I'm guessing you're going to see more of these coming up over time. I'd say I've got to keep calling them tip shops, but I think they call them tip treasure shops. And I think there is some real treasure amongst all this stuff that people didn't want anymore. So check out your local refuse centre, see if they've got one opening up. Certainly Swansea, Newport, Cardiff have. And thanks for watching.